Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
I would like to thank Global Spoken English for giving me a chance to enhance my communication skills. My name is Numaira and I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today I am going to deliver a speech on education. Let me start my speech with some beautiful lines. Education consists mainly of what we have unlearned. शिक्षा में मुख्य रूप से वह शामिल है जो हमने नहीं सीखा. A little progress each day adds up to big results. हर दिन एक थोड़ी सी प्रगति एक बहुत बड़ा परिणाम बना रही होती है. Education breeds confidence. Confidence breeds hope. Hope breeds peace. शिक्षा आत्मविश्वास पैदा करती है. आत्मविश्वास आशा को जन्म देता है. आशा शक्ति पैदा करती है. Education is a critical factor for the progress of an individual and the nation. It is about gathering knowledge and learning how to think and apply the knowledge to solve problems. In the modern day world where information demands life, it is important to be educated to understand the world. Third, good education. We can get good jobs and improve the quality of our life and social status. Education also plays a significant role in becoming successful in their life. Education helps us use the all new technology available to us. Educated people can also teach their children well and raise the next generation of every section. I conclude my speech thanking you all for listening to me patiently. Thank you so much and have a nice day.
बहन भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता. अगर आप अच्छी नौकरी करना चाहते हैं या आप किसी इंटरव्यू में जाना चाहते हैं तो बगैर इंग्लिश के ये संभव नहीं है. तो बहन भाइयों, देर किस बात की,